The ANTHBOT M5 is set to be easy to install. Let's find out. After the unboxing, the first step should be installing the charging base. This step takes some brutal force. Next step, install the RTK reference station. Now we can put the machine in place. An important notice: remove the wheel stoppers. Okay, it's ready. This spot is ideal. There's enough space around the RTK reference station, so the GPS satellite signal won't be blocked. If you have both a front yard and a backyard, it is advised to install the second RTK. It is basically the same as installing the first one. Remember to disconnect the first RTK to avoid interference. Now the second RTK is connected and you can move the second RTK to its destination. Done.